Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Outlier AI. So if you don't know what Outlier AI is, it is a business analytics platform that uses artificial intelligence or AI to automatically find unexpected changes and insights in your company's data. Instead of building dashboards or running manual reports, Outlier scans your data from tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, Salesforce, and etc. and alerts you when something unusual happens, like a sudden drop in sales or a spike in a website's traffic. It also acts like a smart assistant working in the background and pointing out trends, outliers, or issues you might miss. It's designed for business terms, no coding or data science skills needed. So the key benefits of Outlier AI is that it saves time by automating analysis, detects problems early. It is also easy to integrate with existing tools, and it also helps make faster decisions based on real-time data. So it is perfect for marketers, sales teams, or operations managers who want to stay ahead without digging through data manually. So it is basically a AI tool that scans and analyzes your data so that you won't have to do it yourself. And as you can see here, there are a lot of different opportunities. There are a lot of different reviews, and yeah, that is basically Outlier AI. So it is the best way, one of the best ways to make money, and not directly, but it is the one of the best ways that it can help you with your business or a company. And that is it. That is Outlier AI. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.